My bananas Foster. So I have a pan going on the grill. I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons of butter, and to the butter, I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. To that, I'm gonna add a pinch of salt, pinch of cinnamon, about 1/4 teaspoon or a pinch. 2 whole bananas, and Liz is just, you know, essentially halving them and splitting them. And we're just gonna let these kind of caramelize.
These are gonna be in pieces.
Which is okay, because we serve this whole thing over vanilla bean ice cream. And we're gonna let these go in the sugar, and then we flip them. And you can see that nice coating.
God.
Oh man.
There
We're
is
just
nothing
taking
better
on-
than a burnt sugar smell.
Yeah. I'm gonna hit this with a little bit of orange zest right on top. Off the grill. So any, you know, good vanilla bean ice cream works good here.
Darn, that looks good.
Oh man.